So this will be a quick overview of your course. So when you come in, what you're going to notice is up here in the top, you will see messages. That, when you click on that, that is where you can send me a message. If you push on send new message, you click on that, you'll find my name right there, and then you can type in your message and push send message. That is communication to me. That is just to me. It is private between you and I. This is also where I send you a lot of information through messages. So when I send you a message, you want to make sure that you're reading it and responding to it. Forums, this is actually where you will post homework questions. So this is open to everyone, and there are different forums for the different units. And if you have questions on the practice tests, you can use that. And the practice final, you can post things there. And this is where you find your forums, and also the introduction forum is there. There is a calendar for this course that I put here for you. You can decide how many weeks you want it to show at a time. Oops. So it can either show 4 weeks or 2 weeks. You get to choose how many weeks you want it to show, but it will tell you what you should be doing each week. I've listed the course Monday through Thursday. You can do work on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I just listed it for you Monday through Thursday, but you do need to have all the work from this week ready by Monday morning. And then the grade book is where you will go. My grade book will look different than yours, but that's where you can go to see what your grades look like. So when you are in the course, up here at the top, you will notice information about the Math Center, and that's where you will be going to take your tests. We do have specific days when you take tests, but it is also a place where you can go to get help, both in person, those are the hours for in-person help, and online, these are the hours for online. You will be filling out this test request form to let me know that you can make the test dates that we have scheduled, and if not, I will work with you to try and arrange something else, but there are not many options. It's really expected that you will be taking your tests on the dates we have scheduled. When you first come in, this first thing, I will always have information for you of what's happening during the week. And so here you're going to see we do have our test dates listed here. So those are the expected dates that you will attend. And what you're going to notice is that if you took Math 77 or 87, this class does have a little bit of a different format. And so we'll go through, see what that looks like for you. So when you come in, when you first come in, there's a Start Here tab. You open that up, and the orientation videos will be here that will let you know about this class. You're watching this one already, but there's a lot of information there. Here's the instructor information. Here's the syllabus and the schedule. Really important that you read through those and you are aware of what is posted there. And then here's an important information about course layout. And if you have questions about the graphing calculator and how to use, it's recommended that you use a TI 83 or 84 for this class. And there's information there on how to use that. And then the information on test and quizzes. You can find all your quiz passwords right here. And then you can find all your test information right here. You will be taking your tests on campus. We do have scheduled dates for those. Diversity and inclusion. Diversity and inclusion are important part of this class. I want everyone to make sure that they feel they are welcome and respected in this class. And I list things in my expectations, what you can expect from me and what I expect from you. And then I have some frequently asked questions, and a little bit more on course information. I also have here help and resources. And so those are things that you want to look at. The Start Here, very important information. Here's the help and resources and the book. So there's the help, there's Math Center, the ebook is all listed right there. And then inside here we have our first day homework. So you'll come in here, and on the first day you'll do these participation homeworks. It's just an autobiography and an introduction forum so I can get to know you. And then here you have participation, which will be weekly. So this is where your weekly participation is. And instead of getting like a progress report from me each week, if you took me for Math 77 or 87, I would send you a progress report each week. This time you're going to let me know how you are doing on your progress, and then I will respond to you. So you will see each week you have a progress report that's due by the next week after that week. And there's no late classes allowed actually on these. I want them turned in on the dates when they're due. So please make sure that you're doing those. It's just asking how things are going for you and if you have questions. Then what you'll notice here is we go through the units. So you go into Unit 1, and in Unit 1, there's a Unit 1 form, which is where you can post questions. But also what you will notice is for each of the sections, I'm going to skip down to one of these sections down here. Some of this will be review, and some of this is going to be new. So when you come to a section, you'll come in and there's going to be a prepare for class. So you open the prepare for class, and this will get you started with videos that might be there, what your book is, and then it's going to have a few questions for you to answer to make sure that you're understanding the information. Then there will also be videos and ebooks, or you can post things to the forum if you're struggling. So this is where you kind of learn the material, and you can also read in the book. Sometimes I will have my own videos that I've posted also, so you will see some of those. Sometimes there will be just the book videos. But for example, on this first one, I'm going to have a bunch of videos that I've created that might help you with the material. I don't care how you learn the material. You can watch my videos that I post. You can watch other instructors' videos. You can watch the book videos. You can read the book. You just need to learn the material however you learn the material, but you will need to make sure that you are doing when it has, for example, prepare for class. You need to do the prepare for class, and then you do the homework itself is right here. So you will have two little sections with homework, and that's how homework works in Math 97. So that's what we notice here, and you just go through the lists. When you come to the quizzes are listed here. You have to get 75% on your practice to open up your quiz, and then that will open up your quizzes. On the real quiz, you need to get 75% on your real quizzes. Here's the passwords for the quizzes. They'll be posted right there. So you will see that. And then you move on to your next unit. When it comes time for the test, you will take those on campus. And I have directions posted for you. But again, this will tell you a little bit about your tests and then a mock test. One thing that's different if you took 77 or 87 is that you don't get multiple attempts on your tests. You're allowed to take one test over towards the end of the quarter, whether it's test 1 or test 2. We determine which test you scored the lowest on, and then you do a retake. So you don't get multiple attempts on tests. You do need to pass your quizzes, so you get multiple attempts on quizzes, but you don't get multiple attempts on tests. So that is how this course is a little different if you took 77 or 87. It's still using XYZ, but this is how the course works and how your information is shown to you. You just move through the units. Let me know if you have any questions.